Daddy spent 5 out of 7 days chasing a dollar down the interstate so Mom could stay home and raise us kids. Every night that phone would ring, we'd catch him up on everything, like where we went, with who, and what we did. Every Friday night he'd pull into the drive. Now and then he'd bring us a prize, like a snow globe from Niagara Falls, a little toy train from Saginaw, or an Elvis clock with crazy dancing legs. Matchbox NASCAR number 3, cowboy hat from Tennessee. Yeah, even though he wasn't always here, his love was always near, with truck stop souvenirs. Well, he towed home an old Chevy truck, said, son, me and you can fix her up. Let's get a little grease on our hands. So he tore that old rust bucket apart till I knew every nut and bolt by heart. And more than that, I got to know the man. It was 3 long years till she was ready for her first drive. So he dressed her up, tricked it out in style, with a big 8-ball for shifting gears, fuzzy dice for the review mirror, and mud flaps with a naked silver girl. Bobblehead doll in a hula skirt, more chrome than that truck was worth. Man, you can't put a price on those years, or what he gave with his love, sweat, and tears, and truck stop souvenirs. Now there's a million miles of memories in this rear view mirror. Sometimes the road before me ain't always clear, but I know my daddy's here to help me steer. He's always here, like those truck stop souvenirs. Ooh.